this is an example of a multiple choice question where there is a trick in that question. It says not a correct statement. So there are 4 statements given here. You need to say which of these statements is not correct about this particular molecule. Is it a cyclic ester? Yes, it is cyclic. Does it have an ester group? Ester group is C double bond OR. Yes, you can see there is an ester group present, so this is a correct statement. Can it form a carboxylic acid on oxidation? We know that 1 degree, 2 degree alcohols and aldehydes will undergo oxidation to form carboxylic acid, so that statement is true. Does it decolorize a solution of bromine in water? We know it's the alkenes that or double bond groups that undergo decolorization. So that means there is a double bond here, carbon-carbon double bond. Therefore, this statement is true. Is it a planar molecule? We can see that it is not a planar molecule. So this statement is false. Therefore, the correct answer for question 3 is D.